Alright folks, this is actually another video. Okay, the last time I did a video on how you could calculate the income tax based on the taxable income using the sum product Excel function. Okay, then you got the same exact results as using the if and the minimum, and you could all tell for yourself that the if and the minimum was quite long and quite complicated in a way. So we figure out a way where we can do the same thing to achieve the same exact result using the same product, which is very easy and very well understanding. Today I'm actually doing a teaser on how to calculate the taxable income based on income tax. Okay, and it's interesting that the formula to achieve these results is huge. And I've been discussing with some few friends who are also very good as far as Excel is concerned on how we can compress this one that I achieved here to get a very simple formula like this particular one here to get the same results that we're looking at. Okay, and this time there was a maximum tax amount, yeah, column to the existing columns that we had on the very first one. I'll do a video on that, but as it stands now, I'm still looking at a way to compress this long formula here so that we can achieve the same exact results by getting our taxable income based on the income tax. Okay, so let me say, so if supposing I change, what I've done here is that I've referenced this particular result here to this side, just because I was doing some few checks to know that what I'm doing is correct and at least is error free. Okay, so supposing I change this one to 1,400, supposing my taxable income is 1,400, this is the tax I'll be paying on that. Okay, and supposing this is the input to get how much taxable income that I have to achieve before I can pay a tax of 167. This is the formula. This is the answer that I get. Okay, and this is the formula. So it's a mixture of if, sum products, offset. Offset. Okay, the offset formula or the offset function, and what a minimum. So it's simple though, but it's still complicated, and I'll figure out a way to compress this one. But I'll do a video on this particular one so that I can also share with you. Okay, so this evening or this today I'm just doing a teaser. Okay, it's just a teaser, so I'll be doing the actual one so that you can get to understand why I did all this to achieve these results. Okay, so thanks and see you sometime.